Hey guys, it's me. I have shoot this like 10 times already. Because I paused it and I shut off my phone. That's what I don't like about this. But I want to move my thing up here. So guys, this is Wolf Quest. I love the Wolf Quest. I don't know what happened. The Wolf Quest, I just love the music. The music is brilliant. I don't know who made the music, but I really have a shout out to them who made the music. And the creators of Wolf Quest. Wait, let me see here. No. This thing says March 2018, Minnesota. They made Minnesota. I respect you, Minnesota. But guys, I did already think this is Fish. She's the wolf of the thing. The first part. So, if you guys are ready, let's go. Continue. I probably have to reread all this again. Maybe, I don't know. Let me see. We gotta wait. You're a 2-year-old gray wolf born in the northern range of Yellowstone National Park. You learned the ways of the wolf in your birth pack. Now it's time for you to find a home and build your own family. But first, you need to learn to survive. Find and hunt elk. Once you've mastered that, you can begin your quest to find a mate. Visit the stranger wolf territories. Most wolves can defend their territory, but some are dispersal wolves like you, leaving their home territory in search for a mate. Remember, don't meet such a wolf until you're a skilled hunter of elk. Okay. I guess it's still a little challenging. Here we are. I still know the little, elk right that way. So let's go. Oh, I'm actually pretty fast. Get the elk. Okay, yeah. Know how to, hunt. I still remember how to hunt. Come back. My favorite music of all this game. No, not Coyote. Get out of here. No! It's gonna make me follow it. My favorite music is just the music when we attack. Like, you bite it. There's music. I remember I was playing this when I had a laptop. I was playing this, and I would, like, just sing it every time. Oh, what the heck? Hey, who are you being so mean? So, I'm supposed to. If you hold down the bite button, it's going to deliver more damage. Like that. Tap. Okay, let's go. Let's get 2 elk, just because. Yeah. Because I want to get 2 elk, so we actually preferred mastered this game. Oh my gosh. My eyes are very sandy because I pretty much just woke up. I'll come to ground. Okay, put up my nosy. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Maybe this way, I think this way. I don't see any. At least I thought I was gonna see at least one dot. something. We gotta go out. Every time when if there's no like wolf or elk in the territory, I would exit out of the territory, then I'll come back in. We exited. Now we go in. Go. This is probably going to be very anxious because there's no exercise. Very tiring too. Very tiring. Why do you know elk? Oh. Hello. Stalking mode. This is the one I want. There goes. If you stop, it'll come back to you. I still remember. You have a better chance of getting it. Oh, well, that was an accident. No one can help you now, elk. Ooh, it should be called Burning Man. It was like the elk, like a... I think that tree got my way. Don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. There we go. I thought I was gonna die before, the elk died. That was intense. I get a full now. So yeah. We just hunt this whole elk herd. This whole elk herd. It's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. I want that one. Okay, that one. Can I back off? Can I go back off? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. We got a runner. We got a runner. You're arrested. You're being arrested. You're being arrested. This one's slow. You're being arrested. You're being arrested. We sit down. Oh, go faster. No. Not gonna die, not gonna die. Whoo, there we go. I was gonna die again, but nope. At least I'll get like 5. That's fine. I'll get 2 more. I'm a pro at this already. So I want that one. That's the bowl. I want you. There we go. Sit. I was pressing this button. Let's go first. No. Eat up. So see the okay, we'll run over there and get one more. I am actually really good at this. Okay, now let's go get them one more of them sucker. Maybe if I have a little fun with that, I can have like all of them, maybe. I don't know. Or we can get that one that's just right there running off the distance. That's what I do, right? Is it the bullock? No, it's not the bullock. Maybe this one got left behind or something, but it's gonna die. Hi. Oh, wow, it's already damaged. Okay. So if we just stop. This one's kind of fast. Taking it by little bites. Now I want to fight. Now you want to go. No, 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 but they want to go. Now you want to go. Okay, I think we're all happy now. Okay, now let's go to this